Every morning, I'll walk in this hallway because two of my grade 9 classes are here. And I've been teaching grade 9 science for more than 2 decades now. And every day with my student is always different. Teaching has always been considered a vocation, and that requires great passion. And they even say that a good teacher can teach you something that you will remember for a day. But a great teacher will teach you something that you will remember for the rest of your life. Like any other teacher, I always tell my student that I am their second parent. And I can say that I spend just as much, with not more time each day, with a child than parents do. You couldn't take away paperwork from the teacher, because this is what teachers are made for, to teach and to record their academic grades. And of course, do our lesson plan for tomorrow's teaching. So another day of teaching my students of trust and being trustworthy. After my class, I went to my favorite bake shop. There is a certain bread that I love, which can satisfy my cravings. Teaching is one of the most rewarding and satisfying career, yet quite demanding and stressful at the same time. And today, I want to listen to my cravings. This is also good to get along with my coffee. I want to pamper myself now. Why? Yeah, why not? Because I don't want my stress level affects my effectiveness in my relationship with my student, like the teacher-student interaction. Sometimes I keep on thinking, why not learn how to bake my favorite cakes? I am a cake lover and a coffee lover too. As the years go by, richer, fuller, deeper. Those simple things that make the teachers happy. And I always realize that life really is not an accident. There is a purpose and meaning to every life. Action breeds more clarity than thought, because at the end of the day, you will only learn, improve, and figure it out by doing. What you do today is a reflection of who you will become tomorrow. With all those smiles on their faces, it cannot be hid that the pandemic had also caused psychological stress among them, making it difficult for them to focus on studying. But no matter where you are, or whether you are a student or a teacher, your life has changed dramatically amidst the COVID-19 pandemic. Spatula, crucible tongs, safety goggles, dissecting. Life is wonderful, but I tell you, it's not easy. Life is a continuous learning experiences. Throughout our times, we keep rising and falling, picking up important lessons along the way. Some of these lessons come from experiences. Good things don't come easy. If you want to have a good life with a successful career, emotional satisfaction, and trustworthy friends, you have to work hard. There is no such thing as luck.